I got an itchy.
Yimmer is like an
Scratching an itchy
owl.
spot for herself. He's oh.
Oh, yeah. She turned her full head around.
Those are going to be just like yours, Kibas. Yeah, you're going to have some just like that. She goes, no.
I don't know about that one.
He's a cutie. She's playing with Big John. Oh, that ain't Big John. Which one's Big John? This one? With the brown on his head?
Yeah.
Black spots on his side?
Yeah.
So is that one right there. Yeah, that's Avatar. Oh, sorry.
I think I only have 2 left coats.
I'm guessing probably the majority of them are left. You know that? I don't know that. She's like, I'm getting no rest, damn it, no rest.